right, we're on the road again. We're heading down to Fort Lauderdale, going across Alligator Alley right now.
Yep.
And we're going to be there in about 1 hour and 18 minutes from now, about 87 miles away, and hitting the air, going to Mexico.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a
Yee-hee!
Then we're going to get on a bus to Merida. Probably put us there in Progreso about 10 o'clock tonight, maybe 10:30.
We'll let you know. We'll let you know.
Yeah, we'll keep you updated. It'll be nice and late, but it's about noon. I got to turn this car in by noon, but our flight is about 4 o'clock, so we got a little time to kill before we head out. What a nice time visiting with everybody here.
Yeah.
Of course, we'll be going back to LA for a few more days before we get on that plane across the Pacific back to the Philippines, but watch out, get a ticket here.
Yeah.
Speed trap ahead.
Yep.
Anyways, we'll keep you updated. We're getting ready to get Mexico soon and get us some al pastor tacos.
Yummy.
I'm gonna live off of those
The
for
real
like 2
ones.
weeks. That's all I'm gonna eat for 2 weeks.
Burritos and tacos.
That's it. My diet. Maybe an octopus or two in there.
Oh yes, we have to have seafood, papi. It's
Oh, we're
fresh.
gonna have our cochinita in the
Oh,
morning.
cochinita in the morning.
Yeah, we gotta walk to the market, get our cochinita sandwiches.
Oh, I can wait for that.
That'll be good. All right, guys, we're off to Cancun. Here in the spirit again. Take a look. Everybody's coming on now. I don't know how full the flight is, but it's only a 2-hour flight. We'll be in Cancun here from Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, it's gonna be quick.
It should be a quick one. We are in line. All these Spirit aircraft. And we're off. Looks like Cozumel and Isla Mujeres off in the distance here. The one down in closest to the plane here is Isla Mujeres, and then Cozumel's off in the distance. Isla Mujeres is very cool. If you haven't been there. All right, welcome home.
Yes, welcome home.
Welcome back to old Mexico.
Yep, Mexico.
All that smooth landing.
Yes. It's okay. We're good.
All right, we're in the bus station, the Adeo, here in Cancun, and we are waiting for the Merida bus. It's going to be here in about 20 minutes, and it's hot in here. It's hot. They don't put air conditioning in these bus stations. It is warm. There's little eateries around here. They even got a Subway up here. Little pizza spot, little drink place. Anyway, the bus is 650 Mexican pesos to go from Cancun to Merida. and that's about 27 bucks. Oh wait, 36 bucks, I believe. If I do the math right. It's like 17 to 1 right now. Even at the airport, airport they give you like 15 to 1. But I believe if you went to the bank, you'd get 17 to 1 right now. So yeah, 650 Mexican pesos. I'll put it on the screen. If you're traveling down here and you want to go to Merida, that's what it is on the ADO. 650 a head. All right, we made it to Progreso. It was a late arrival, and we got here about midnight. And then we had tacos. I was too tired to film. So here we are, guys, in our little beach bungalow. There's Mercy, Mercy's brother, come to pick us up. Thank you very much. Sister-in-law, thank you very much. So here we are, back on the beach. We got a different spot this time. It is hot, guys. I'll show you the beach later. We're gonna go have some cochinita right now. We've been waiting for cochinita for, I don't know, 2 years.
2 years from now, yeah.
So we're going to get some cochinita before they stop serving it. They don't serve it all day, right? It's like a breakfast item. So cochinita, I'll explain to you those that you don't know what it is. It's a pork sandwich, basically.
But the
Seasonings
process,
are different.
Yeah,
Processes.
the seasoning is different.
Yeah, so it's good. We'll show you guys in a minute. We're off down to the market, have some cochinita. We're gonna stock up our little place here. Little tour here. We got a TV, we got some internet, cable, little beach chairs and stuff for outside, a little table for outside. We're just getting set up. Coffee maker, little kitchen here, 2 bedrooms. We're just unpacking, it's crazy. There's another bedroom. And there's air conditioners in the bedroom. Both have mini splits. And I got them on, pumping out to the main part of the unit here, and I got a fan blowing because the main part doesn't have an air con.
But it's cool.
It's cool enough for now. I know it's going to get hotter later in the day. We'll see. But whatever it is, it is. This is our beach bungalow, you know. This is our little stove, kitchen area. It's all set up, coffee maker, microwave, dishes, everything we need for our couple weeks here, and then back to LA. But right now we're going to enjoy the beach, family, food. Already had some tacos. I didn't show you last night. As soon as we got off the bus, of course, we took that bus, not the train, because I heard bad things about the train. Take you forever, and it was maybe breaking down and stuff. And I said, I'm not dealing with that. So even though the thing is new, I heard some bad news about it. So we just stuck with the bus. We stuck with what works. Off to get some cochinita. Let's go. All right, we're here at the cochinita place. Our favorite spot from last time we were here. Here's a little menu. It's tortas. We just got the tortas today. We like the sandwiches. We're not doing the tacos, I don't think. Nobody is. Oh, he's got tacos coming? All right, he's busy. He's working. He's on the phone working. We got our little choice of salsas right here.
Let me give it to you.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Here's our choice of chili, onion, habanero mix. I love that right there. Little pickled vinegar. Oh, that's my piece right there. And you got some tomatillo, maybe some tomatillo sauce. Here's an onion. I don't know what this one is. This is onion, I know, but it's some kind of brown sauce.
It's onions, but
It's a brown sauce. That's something new for me. I'll try it. And there's your pickled onions. The red onions all pickled up. Those are good. Very good stuff to add to your cochinita, taco, torta, whatever you want. We got us a 1 liter Coke to share, and I was noticing this fan up here might need to be cleaned. You might want to check out getting that fan cleaned, because you might get some extra flavor on your tortas. Might blow on your torta a little extra fan goodiness.
Let's spread. I'm glad nobody understood what he's saying, because they're gonna kick us out.
What, for cleaning the fan? They ought to be like happy to, oh, you're right, sir. You're right. We should clean our fan. You get a little more airflow too with that clean. It's probably blocking about 75% of the air. Anyway, always something, right, guys? Cochinita coming up, minus the fan dust. All right, we have sandwiches. Sandwiches have arrived. The tortas. I love these. Now, what do I get? Lechon or cochinita?
This is cochinita.
I got cochinita. So the difference between cochinita and lechon is what?
It's the seasoning.
It's the seasoning. It's still pork.
Yeah.
Still roasted pork.
Still pork. Mm-hmm.
I know lechon here
And look, lechon has a
is
little
similar to. Oh, they
skin.
get the skin part. Oh, I like that.
Yeah. Oh, you can have it?
Yeah, that's just. No, it's okay.
No. You can have it.
Oh, somebody already put onions on mine.
Honey, yes, it's extra. You can put extra.
Oh, they already came with it.
And this one goes with lechon very good. It's different, see?
Yeah.
It's different seasoning.
I'll put it all on there. All right, enjoy.
I will. Go.
Oh, we got some little tacos here. There we go. Dos tacos. Dos taquitos. We got some Coke with no ice. Wonder why we don't have ice at the market. Might not get the right ice at the market, so we opt for no ice. Yeah, same thing goes here. No, you don't drink the water in Mexico. Don't drink the water in the Philippines. Just don't do it. Now, some places have ice, like we serve in Poppies. We have ice that's been filtered and all that good stuff. But I don't know what they do here at the market, so we're opting no ice. How is it?
They probably get the good ice, but
They
it's
might.
an extra expense.
They don't want to do it, huh? So how's your Sammy? Yum, yum. So I opted to do a little habanero across mine, habanero onion on top of the red onion. The bread for these is unique. They always have that little bit of grease, that yellow. They toast it on the grill with that meat, and it gives it that yellow, almost buttery, greasy bread. If you did this at home, you probably wouldn't get that. This one does not have that. See, only the cochinita one comes like this. The lechon is dry. They don't have the added flavor that these. That's why I like these cochinita. But I opted to do the habanero. Thinking about this, I don't know that I need it. But then they got the green one here. I bet that's good on there. Let's see what a little bit of this green.
That's good.
I'm gonna mix it all up. This that's avocado or this tomatillo?
Habanero.
This is habanero too? Oh hell, I just doubled up, tripled up on my habanero. Mercy's brother's looking at me. Are you crazy? It's hot enough in here already. All right, let's see what it looks like.
The flavor is kind of a lechon kawang over there.
Oh yeah, the lechon is very similar to the Philippine lechon, of course.
Yeah.
All right, so we had some good cochinita and lechon. We're off to do some things. We got to go to the grocery.
Yep.
Got to go to the grocery. We got to go get some money. I didn't tell my banking institution that I was going to Mexico, and I think they locked me out. So I got to make a phone call to them, see if it works. I made a card change online, but the last time I tried it, it wouldn't work. So I had to enter like a travel plan. I went online and fixed it. But I think that would be instant. We're gonna go try some ATMs. I got to get some money. Got to live for 2 weeks here. I have no pesos.